This is a personal vehicle that at first glance looks like an ordinary skateboard. However, if you take a closer look, it becomes apparent that the construction of this vehicle is unique. The board has 2 additional wheels and is able to tilt sideways, giving the rider a wider turning radius. As a result, the riding style makes you feel like you're snowboarding in the middle of the city and in high temperatures. The price is $460. Decades ago, we could only see hoverboards in sci-fi movies. Now the time has come to try something similar in real life. In this case, the vehicle uses the power of water, supplied by a jet ski that generates a powerful, thick jet. This gives the model great acceleration and allows you to gain altitude. This toy will keep you entertained for hours. As soon as you learn to keep your balance, you will be able to master all sorts of tricks. Some of them are so complex and spectacular that performing them could be considered an extreme sport. In addition, the model is capable of soaring up to 26 feet high and accelerating up to 24 miles per hour. Discover the world of recreational diving with the next invention on our list. It is a special portable system that you can take anywhere thanks to its modest size and low weight. The kit includes a floating air compressor, a diving regulator, and a hose. The hose is long enough to dive to a depth of 10 feet. The built-in rechargeable battery is enough to supply air for approximately an hour. The device is brightly colored and will attract attention in case of an emergency. Pricing for the system starts at $900. Winter sports are very popular in Norway. No wonder the innovative sport known as snow skating appeared here. The developers of these snow skates claim that you'll be able to master them from day one. With these skates, you can develop breakneck speed or perform spectacular tricks. It's just up to the rider to decide, because the snow skates give you almost unlimited freedom of movement. And we weren't exaggerating about the dizzying speed. According to the manufacturer, it can reach 68 miles per hour. The price for a pair starts at $450. Usually, remote-controlled toys can only move in the air, on the ground, or on the water, but with this model developed in the UK, you won't have to choose. It's no coincidence that the developers call it unstoppable. When moving on land, this toy uses its huge 8-inch wheels to avoid getting stuck and to overcome any obstacle. But when the terrain becomes impassable, it effortlessly soars into the air and keeps going. It has a built-in video camera with recording function, making travel even more entertaining. Pricing starts at $500. The patented design and 3-wheeled construction make the model more maneuverable, and the rides more exciting and entertaining. In addition, the scooter is ideal for learning sideways drifting and 360-degree spinning. The vehicle will set you back about $140. Do you love golf but can't afford to play on an actual course that often? No problem. Now you can set up a miniature golf simulator at home or even at work. All you need is a system like this. It consists of an app, a ball and club sensors, a small platform with artificial turf, and a pop-up net. The whole game is played in one place. Moreover, even a small room is suitable for it. All you need to do is to take the club in your hand and hit the ball. The ball flies for less than a second and hits the net immediately, without damaging anything around. After the hit, the system analyzes the speed, the power of the hit, the flight trajectory, and many other parameters. Based on the data collected, it'll show in the app how the ball would fly on a real field. You'll have to pay at least $150 for this kit. The next gadget in our video will be indispensable on any underwater adventure. It is a tiny underwater scooter that pulls you around, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 5.3 miles per hour. Its sealed housing withstands great pressure, so you can dive to a depth of 100 feet. Of course, JetPod Pro is safe for underwater life. And it floats, so it's guaranteed not to sink. The latter is especially important when you consider that this awesome vehicle is priced at $1,100. A US company has developed a much more practical and transportable alternative to traditional canoes. On the water, it is as comfortable as a boat. But on land, it weighs only 50 pounds and can be folded into a small bag. It unfolds in 5 minutes and can accommodate 2 people, weighing up to 460 pounds. In other words, you can focus on your trip and not worry about a thing. Pricing starts at $850. Introducing an exact replica of one of the most iconic and recognizable fighters in US military history. This RC toy is the most affordable and practical model of the F-14 fighter. The functional tilting wings and full flying stabs make it truly realistic. Other noteworthy features include the carefully designed hull and the unique AS3X and SAFE technologies. As you can see, flying the model might be challenging, but even beginners can learn thanks to them. This is a major advantage since the toy costs $300. This remote control vehicle is an official replica of the 5th generation Ford F-Series pickup truck. The scale is 1 to 10, however it was not designed to play with at home, but to compete in drag racing. It was not easy to combine the unique internal components with a classic look, but the developers succeeded. The model features a robust aluminium chassis, electronics protection, and side impact protection. Other important features include certified tires, oil-filled front and rear shocks, and a heavy-duty sway bar. All of this makes the car perfect not only to compete, but to win. The model is priced at $460. Not sure how to entertain a large group of friends? Gel Blaster allows you to arrange a fun battle at home or in the backyard. It's a toy gun that shoots gel balls. Everyone will enjoy this device because the blaster consists of modules that change the way it works. It's up to you to choose the shooting style between a pistol, a rifle, or a blaster. The main thing is that you can play for a long time, because the magazine holds 700 balls at a time, and since the rate of fire reaches 11 shots per second, your enemies will not be able to escape. Environmentalists shouldn't worry either. The balls are made of non-toxic and biodegradable material. The price is $140. Karaoke is a surefire way to add some excitement to even the longest ride. In this case, inside the car. You can purchase this simple system for just $36. It consists of a microphone and a module that connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth and allows you to play your own playlists. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.